Hi all, welcome back. Today we will see how to download Kali Linux and run it through VMware. So I'm going to Google and I'm typing Kali Linux download. Then you can see here the first one, Kali Linux or kali.org. Click on this Get Kali. Now move down, move down. If you move down continuously and you can see here VMware 64-bit and you can click here download. And you could see here it is downloading. We'll wait until it is downloaded. Now coming for the downloads which I have downloaded. Here it is. Now I'm going to extract this zip file. Extract here. So it will take some time to extract. So once it is extracted, you could see here Kali Linux folder. So it will contain all the related or supported Kali Linux operating system files. Now we'll be going for VMware. So here we have multiple options. So we'll go with open an existing virtual machine. Go for the downloads where you have extracted the Kali Linux. Here it is. And you can see this VMware file, single file is visible for you. You can select that and open it. That's simple how you can import Kali Linux virtual machine into VMware. Now after that you can go for play virtual machine. It will take a minute or two to load. Using this Kali Linux, we can perform many attacks. It's a kind of hacker's operating system we can call. Whatever we have learned so far can be practiced in this environment. Sometimes you see your uh, mouse or your pointer is not moving across it. By that time you can use Alt plus Control to unlock your cursor movement. This is common while using these virtual machines. So now you can go for entering your username and password, which is Kali. So this is how the Kali Linux will look like. Here you will be having all the applications. So you can see a number of applications or tools that can be used for our security purposes, like for our hacking purposes. Now here it is the terminal emulator. You can use this to run your commands. Let me increase the size of it. It will be visible for you. So generally, if you want to change any directory, the command used is change directory cd space the directory name. And for that, first you need to know what are the list of directories that are available. Ls, if you say, you will be knowing all the directories that are under this root folder. Right? I can use cd space desktop. It is case sensitive how the folder name is looking. You need to use the same kind of naming and case sensitive. That means if there is capital letters and small letters in the word, the same exactly you need to use. And in the desktop, what are the list of directories or files? You can check that. You can see there are, on the desktop, you don't see any files or folders. Right? If I want to come out of it, I can use exit. And if you want to turn off this virtual machine, go for logout and shut down.